Today is day 1 of the SMART beard hair transplant yesterday, and patient wish to have the extension of the beard. Let's have a look now. Previously we have done here, and patient wanted to increase the density here, the French beard. This is the moustache on the left side. This is the left goatee. This is the right goatee. This is the right moustache. The center here is the fighter. And here we did not touch. Patient didn't want to add anything around here. Now the graph is all intact today, day 1. Everything looks good. Here is very high density. He wants very high density here. Above here is the soft look here. That was the surgical plan and the surgical organizational graph which we have done yesterday. And we can see today is day 1. That's not much swelling. There's no bleeding, and all the graph are intact in the right angle, right direction.
Thank you, Professor Dr. Dato, JasG, and GLOJAS.